If you watch one video, you will earn $2.50. If you watch 10 videos, you will earn $25. As you can see, I have already withdrawn over $102 today by just watching videos on one website, and earned over $200 from another website by watching these videos, which is one of the best ways to make money online. So like this video, and let's start with the first website on our list, called swagbucks.com, where you will be making money for watching videos. As you can see, this website has already paid over $561 million to its users, and it has got over 4.2 star ratings out of 5 on Trustpilot. And these ratings are given by over 35,000 people, which shows that this is one of the legit websites to make money online. As you can see, you get paid for your entertainment, such as playing games or watching videos, which will be our main focus for today, to make money watching videos. Swagbucks is available in all countries around the world, but for our future videos, comment down below your country name, so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. As you can see, you can get up to $10 bonus for just joining Swagbucks. So, just check this box of terms and conditions, and click where it says continue with email. Now, just enter your email address, create a password for your account, and click on this create account button, and you will be logged into your account, where you can see you can get $2 free bonus if you verify your email. So, let's find the email from Swagbucks, and click where it says verify to verify our account. Now you can see your next gift card is just few clicks away. You can just take your first survey on Swagbucks, and you can get 50 Swagbuck points for just 3 minutes of survey. Or, you can check your free credit score, and you will get $5 in just 3 minutes for completely free. Just like this, there are many offers showing, which can make you money very fast. But the one offer that I would suggest you to complete for now is this swag button offer, where you will get 25 cents for installing it, and the rest of $1.75 after 7 days. Which is really awesome because you just need to install the swag button extension to your browser, and you will get total of $2 for that for completely free. So, let us just click on get $2, and it will take us to this page from where we can install this extension to our browser. And once you install it, you will get the 25 cents into your account, and another $1.75 will be credited after 7 days. And now, this is how your dashboard will look like, and you can see here, 100 Swagbuck points are equal to $1, and we can get our first gift card for as little as 300 points. That is for $3. So once you are on your dashboard to make money watching videos, all you want to do is to hover your mouse on Discover option on the top of this website, and select the Discover Home option from there. It will take you to this page, where you have to scroll down a little bit, and from under the sponsored offers, you have to select the Add Send Media from left hand side. It will then show you the different offers like playing games, installing apps, and so on. But we want to make money by watching videos, like music videos, celebrity videos, adventure videos, pets videos, and gaming videos. Choose the one category that you like. For example, if you like the adventure videos, just click on it. A pop-up will show up, showing the offer requirements, but you can just click on Start Earning button from here, and a new tab will open in your browser, where you can watch the videos and earn money. But first, you need to sign up to this website by just clicking on Sign Up option on top right corner. After that, you can just start watching videos and start to earn money for each video you watch. Not only that, if you come back to Add Send Media again, you can select the videos option from there, and you can see there are many more video platforms that you can register and start making money for watching videos. So for example, if we click on Start Earning option here and press this button again, it will take us to new tab with new website. And here also, we can watch different videos and earn money online once we register ourselves on this website. So, there are endless websites from where you can watch videos, and endless videos that you can watch and earn money. Now if you want, you can also earn money on Swagbucks by just playing games. And for this, you can go over to the Play section on the top, and it will take you to this page, where you can find different games to play and earn money. Such as, if you play this game, you will earn over 16,000 points, which are equal to $160. And all you have to do is just play this game, complete some levels of this game, and you will be credited with $160 for that. Just like this, you can find another game here, which will give you over 40,000 points, which are equal to over $400 for just playing this game. But that's completely optional, because you only need $3 to take withdrawal from Swagbucks, which you can easily earn by just watching videos. And once you have earned your money, you can go over to Redeem section from your profile, and here you can find all the methods available for you. So, you can withdraw your earnings in PayPal, in the virtual prepaid MasterCard, or you can withdraw your earnings in hundreds of different gift cards available here, such as Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, and the list list goes on and on. Now the second website on our list is called QuickRewards.net. Quick Rewards is here since 2002, and they have already paid over $7 million to their users. On Trustpilot, Quick Rewards has over 4.3-star ratings, all of which shows that it is one of the legit website to make money online. And the great part is, you only need 1 cent to withdraw your earnings from this website. Now, there is different ways to make money online like completing surveys, playing games, but we will focus today on watching videos to earn money. So first thing first, I want you to register yourself by filling your email ID here, creating a strong password, and then just select how many emails you want to receive from them. I would just select the last option, to only receive an email every 4 days. Then just agree to terms of service, and check I am not a robot. Once you verify your email and log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, like I said, there are a lot of options to make money. Like, you can complete some surveys, watch different videos, play different games, and so on. And, if you scroll down here, you can see a lot of different surveys, where you can earn some quick money. And to make money watching videos, you just click where it says videos, and it's going to take you to this page. Now you can see, there are a lot of options here, where you can watch videos and make money. But, I would suggest you to use these two reputed company offers from there, AdSend Media, and Loot.tv. Starting with Loot.tv, I want you to click on it, and a pop-up window will show up. Now, you can read more about it here, and then just click on Continue to proceed. And, it will take you to this page, where first of all, you need to sign up yourself. And as soon as you sign up, your Loot TV account will be automatically connected with your Quick Rewards account. After that, you can start watching all the different videos that you like, and you will start collecting points for that, which will be automatically transferred to your Quick Rewards account, which you can then redeem from there. So, you can watch as many videos as you want, and earn as much money as you want, because there are endless videos on Loot.tv. Now, coming to the AdSend Media, just click on it, read the terms on the pop-up window, and just click on Continue to proceed. It will take you to this new tab, where you can watch the videos by selecting the different categories of the videos that you want to watch. Or, you can watch the videos on many other different platforms available down here. So for example, if we select any one of them, and press on Start Earning, once again read the terms of service, and just click on this button to proceed. It will take you to the new tab, where you can watch a ton of videos. But first, you need to sign up yourself, by clicking on this sign up option on top right corner. After that, this website will be automatically connected to your Quick Rewards account, and every point you earn on this website will be automatically transferred to your Quick Rewards account. Now, there are a ton of websites like this on Quick Rewards, where you can watch endless videos and earn money online. And you will never feel out of content on these multiple websites to make money watching videos. And if you want, you can also boost your earnings by completing some other offers like surveys, playing games, etc. These surveys only take 3 to 5 minutes to complete, and you can earn anywhere from 70 cents up to $4 for each survey you complete. But that's completely optional. And to withdraw your earnings from Quick Rewards, you just need to go over to the redeem option from right-hand side. And here, you can withdraw your earning through PayPal, or in different gift cards, like Amazon gift card, Burger King gift card, and many more. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.